So kung naghahanap kayo ng panibagong play to earn pero hindi nyo kailangan gumastos, ito na yung video na para sa inyo. Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-uusapan natin itong si Gunfire Squad. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Gunfire Squad. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin kung paano nga ba kayo kikita dito kay Gunfire Squad ng libre. But anyway guys, bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang sabihin na this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor either. So please make sure na gawin nyo muna yung part nyo at mag-research muna kayo about sa project before even investing. Okay? Yan lang naman guys yung lagi nating paalala kasi mahirap naman na wala kayong idea tapos bigla kayong papasok sa ganitong klase ng platform. But anyway guys, sabi ko nga kanina, this is a free-to-play pero play-to-earn yung concept niya. Which means that you will be able to make money here without spending any dime at all. Okay? Now, paano ba nagpo-function itong game na to? So they do have 3 game modes, okay, which would allow you guys to actually earn diamonds. Now, diamonds is the main currency in this game and this diamonds has an equivalent value in USDT. So, pag pumunta kayo dito guys sa game guide, makikita nyo na 32 diamonds is equivalent to 1 USDT. Which means that if you will be able to win 4 games in a row, then you will be able to earn as much as, $3 to $5 daily just for the free magazines that you're getting. Now, para saan ba tong magazine sa taas? So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong 6 magazines dito. But technically, guys, kapag meron kayong barrel, let's say for example ito, may barrel kayo dito, guys, na gamit. Usually, meron niyang 4 magazines per day, which is nagre-replenish siya right after nyong magamit yung energy na yun. So, kung ginamit nyo siya ng 10 p.m., let's say nagamit nyo 2 energy, magre-replenish yung another 2 energy after the time of the next day. So, let's say 12 a.m. yesterday, magre-replenish ko ng 12 a.m. the next day. So, parang ganun siya. So, 24 hours lang naman yung cooldown yan. Now, usually guys, kapag free-to-play kayo, meron kayong Uzi na barrel dito, which you can actually use to actually play the game. Then, each gun here, meron siyang tinatawag na durability. Okay? Wherein itong durability na to guys, kailangan nyo siyang i-repair para magamit nyo yung baril na to. So once the durability runs out, ibig sabihin yan, hindi nyo na magagamit yung free na baril na yan. Okay? Pero I'm pretty sure that you will be able to explore the game kasi ito, nakadalawang game pa lang tayo, parang 40 lang naman yung nabawa. So I think there's a long way for you to go when it comes to making money in this game for free. Kasi usually may libreng Uzi yan guys kapag nagsimula kayo dito sa game na to. Okay? Now, I think Endless stage is a bit harder as well to finish. So, itong 3 lang muna siguro yung maire-recommend ko sa inyo. Now, when it comes to solo battle guys, mahirap pumasok sa game mode na to kasi marami kayong kalaban dito na may mga magagandang baril na. Kumbaga, yung iba naka-AK dito, pantantaran talaga. So, you might end up losing the game. So, my suggestion is kung free-to-play player ka at gusto mong i-maximize yung limited number of magazines mo per day, you go with the team battle. Okay? So, ganito lang naman nag-work yung team battle guys. Pakita ko lang din sa inyo. Okay? So, select tayo dito ng map kung saan natin pwedeng pasukin yung game. Okay? So, pasok tayo dito sa konti lang yung players. And then, ito na matching which is meron tayong mga kampe. And from here, we will enter the map. As you can see here, it's easy to control this one. Okay, so merong slide control dyan sa game. So if in any case man that you are having troubles, controlling these, okay, pwede nyo naman gamitin yung mouse nyo. So meron namang mga shortcut key, pero nahihirapan tayo dito. Okay, so medyo masakit siya guys. So pwede naman tayo magpabuhat sa mga kampi natin just in case lang. Okay, so sige, kaya natin yan. Napatay natin guys. Ito wala kasi tayong control dito, so parang medyo nahihirapan tayo guys pagdating sa controls, no? Kasi kailangan natin siyang manually controlin. Pero later on, magpapakita tayo ng info sa inyo regarding this. Nice, napatay natin. Okay, goods. Ay, ako yung namatay. Hindi ko na-press yung grenades. Anyway, kunin natin to. Ay, namatay ako agad. Ako hindi naman sarili kong grenade. Nice one. So dito, may mga chance din naman na makakachempo kayo ng pwede kayong manalo. Okay. Nice one, nakuha ko. Alam niya, mabibait niya ako dun guys eh. Gusto ko yung magkadikit yung kampe. Ay! Nice one, nakill niya. Makahabol pa kami dito guys. Okay, makahabol pa kami dito. Ata, sana. Okay, revenge. And makahabol pa kami. Ay, hindi na ata bro. Halo yata kami dito. 20 na yung kalaban. So yan, pag natalo kayo guys, of course, wala kayong makukuha rewards or wala kayong makukuha diamonds guys. Okay? So, ito, meron pala tayo nakuha kahit paano, 15. Oh, normal claim. Yan, may nakuha tayong 15. Kahit talo tayo dun, meron pala tayong makukuha. Kala ko wala eh. Kasi kahapon wala akong nakuha eh. But anyway, meron pala tayong nakuha. So, yung siege mode naman, may mga iba't ibang modes dito guys. Etong siege modes naman are basically, you are destroying the enemy base. So, if in any case na gusto nyo laruin tong siege mode, pwede din naman to guys. Okay, pero hindi ko na lalaroin to guys. Gusto ko kasi sa team battle na lang para guaranteed yung diamonds natin. So assuming na 15 lang inukuha mo kapag natatalo ka, somehow meron kang 60. So kumbaga parang $1 per day yan kung natatalo kayo. Okay? Pero kung nananalo kayo guys, of course, baka mas mataas dyan or baka mas doble yung reward na makuha nyo. You can always actually refer to the game guide kung paano yung daily charges nyo and also kung ilan yung rewards na makukuha nyo dito. Okay, so ayan, in terms of like cashing out, nandito din naman yung information. But anyway, here's a video tutorial kung paano ko ginawa yung cash out yesterday. So, dito guys, pumunta tayo dito sa Diamond Withdrawal. And then from here, merong option dito to withdraw between GCash or BEP. So dito, lalagay nyo lang yung amount. Say for example, lagyan natin dito 15. Then submit withdraw. So meron siyang minimum guys, 300 diamonds yung minimum niya. Okay, for the withdrawal. So ibig sabihin guys, pag nakaipon tayo dito ng 300 diamonds, ito yung possible na makuha natin. Okay, which is $9.60 USDT. Now, if you will be able to somehow play this on a daily basis and get at least 60 per day, kung kukumputin natin ng maigi guys, no? Let's say, pull up tayo ng calculator. Then, kumputin natin. So, let's say 60 per day lang nakukuha mo kasi lagi kang natatalo. Multiply mo lang to by 30 days. Meron kang 1,800. So, let's say for example, meron kang 1.8 dito. So, meron kang $57. Now, in terms of the withdrawal, ito yung timeline nila kung kailan siya magiging available sa inyo. Okay? But usually for withdrawals, guys, mabilis lang to. And panoorin nyo na lang yung withdrawal video at the latter part of this video, guys, para magkaroon kayo ng idea. I was able to cash out already dito sa game na to. So, ito, na-cash out na natin yung $29.38. So, success yan kahapon sa BEP wallet natin. It already reflected on my BEP wallet as well, which is a Mexi account natin. So, pretty much, the game is already paying out as well. Meaning to say, it's good to actually play this and maximize this opportunity kasi merong free na MAGA skins. But anyway guys, if you want to know more about this, I will create an updated guide as well when it comes to the battles and also the siege mode kasi hindi ko pa siya nakikreate. But if in any case man na meron kayong questions regarding this game, mag-comment lang kayo guys para at least masagot natin yan right away. Yun lang naman guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood and alam niyo na, this is BM and peace out.